Okay, we're going to do a little unboxing video today. I fucking hate unboxing videos. Unboxing videos are the stupidest thing ever. Why do I care that someone else is opening a package that I don't have? In fact, opening the package is like the worst part. Alright, very good. This is the microphone for the camera that I'm shooting with right now, so it won't sound like it does now. It'll sound much better. Okay, this is the real deal though. Aha! Yes, nice. Look at that. Comes in a nice carrying case. Oh, damn! I had no idea how big this was going to be. I thought it was going to be big, but this looks, jeez, bigger than I thought. Whoa. Dang. Holy cow. Alright, so this is the other reason I'm so stoked, is that this guy came a couple days ago, but I can't do anything with this without something like this. Now for the moment of truth. Cool. Does it even have instructions? No, no instructions. I actually like reading instructions now. I didn't used to. Okay, what does this do? What is the point of that? It's a 100 to 400 millimeter focal length. The f-stop is 4.5 to 5.6. Microsoft Copilot and ChatGPT both recommended this exact style of camera and lens, the Sony A7 IV with this type of lens. I asked the AI what would be the best photography gear for photographing planes at night. I didn't try to tell it. I thought it might get confused if I told it I was trying to like take pictures of UFOs. Bam! Check it out. Pretty cool. I'm almost over my cold, which is good because I'm gonna go out with Juan. Juan and I have a date tonight to look for these things. I'm gonna go buy a memory card and then go to Juan's house.